Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel or this is your very first time you're seeing this gorgeous face, hi, you're welcome. My name is Wendy and in this channel I make content around my lifestyle as an immigrant living here in Canada with my family, and also how you can migrate to Canada. So if this sounds so interesting, please do not forget to click on the red subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so you will not miss any of my awesome upload. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and also share this video with your friends and family. So family, you can see that province in Alberta province, they have a lot of jobs that they are looking for. They have up to 4,000 plus jobs for you out there to come and fill up. And this is for the last 30 days of that we are searching for. If you're going for more than 30 days, over 9,000, but 30 days is 4,000 plus. So we're gonna go right now and see all the jobs that they have. And as you can see, I've already gone ahead to select English, that is what we're looking for. And again, down here we will as well move down. It's gonna be a permanent job. Okay, so this is for Alberta and also Ontario. So jobs in Alberta and Ontario is 4,000 plus. Okay, so we are looking for Canadians and international candidates. Jobs for Canadians and international candidates. That is what we are currently looking for, and we're going to be clicking on this to see the results that we have. So we have a lot of them. We have a long haul truck driver, we have long haul truck driver, we have receptionist, we also have food service helper, nurse aide. There is also a nurse aide, food service supervisor, construction trades helper, long haul driver, cashier. There's also cashier, nursery worker, cashier, construction laborer, so many of them. So we are going to go right now and choose the one that we will look into. We're going to be taking a look on this cashier job, which was posted 14th of November 2022, and it was posted by Big Bucket Car Wash, and this job is available in Calgary, Alberta. The employer is willing to pay $15 to $16 hourly for 30 to 40 hours per week. It's a permanent full-time job starting as soon as possible. English is what they needed. No degree, no certificate or diploma. The employer will train. Tax and responsibility you will be doing is operate car register, process money, checks and credit, debit card payments, scan items, tabulate total payment for goods or services required, receive payment for goods or services, and so many other ones that we have right here. And this job is available for someone in Canada and anybody that is not even in Canada with or without a valid work permit. So show how to apply. And the employer wants you to send in your resume to this email address we have right here, which is bigbucketcarwash20@gmail.com. I will try as much as I can to leave that on the screen so that it will be very, very visible for you. And if you are sending your resume and your cover letter by mail, then you have to forward it to this address we have right here. And this job is going to be available till 14th of December 2022. So this sign shows you that is global. Okay, so the very next we have for the job is construction trades helper, and the job was posted by Rafat General Constructor Inc. That's the name of the company, and they are heavily recruiting, like they are heavily hiring right now with awesome benefits that you can get for this job. Honestly, if you're out there, if you're in Canada or you are outside of Canada, whichever country you are, and you're looking at moving into Canada, please, if this is the type of job you're looking for, start right now to apply for them because they are very much recent. Okay, and the job is available in Bolton, Ontario. $26.50 per hour is what the employer said they are going to be paying for 30 hours per week. Is a permanent full-time job. They have different shifts. They have day, evening, weekend, early morning, and also morning shift. And this particular job is going to be starting as soon as possible. They have amazing benefits, which is healthcare benefits and also long-term benefits. So 30 vacancies is what they are looking for. It's also a verified job. Language is English. There is no degree, no diploma or certificate. The employer is willing to train. It's going to be an outdoor job, underground or dusty. That is the environment where you will be working. And down here you're going to see all the tasks and responsibilities that you will be doing, which entails load, unload and transport construction materials. Some of them are clean up chemical spills and other contaminants, and so many other things which I don't want to go into detail in reading each and every one of them, but you can take a look on them and be able to align that in your resume. And also these are experience and specialization. Down here I'm going to show you some of the benefits that you're going to be getting in this job, which is dental plan. You will also have healthcare plan, vision care plan. Long-term benefit is life insurance and other benefits. Like if you have an employer that can give you all these benefits, is a good one. Okay, yeah, so we'll see how you can apply for the job. So the employer, you're going to be sending your resume to this email address we have here, which is hr@rafat.ca. And if you're in Canada, you want to go in person to send it. Maybe you are in this province and you want to send in your resume to them in person, then you will go to 8850 George Bolton Parkway. That is Caledon, Ontario. That is where it is, and they are available between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, so how to apply instruction. Here is what you must include in your application cover letter. Like seriously, you need to include your cover letter. Please include that with your resume as well. And the job will still be available till 14th of December 2022. So family, these jobs are so recent. I just received an alert on these jobs and I said I'm going to hop into it and show you guys. As you can see, the date is very recent and the job is available in Concord, Ontario. This is payment. The payment for this particular job is $26.10 hourly for 30 to 40 hours per week. It's also a permanent full-time employment. It's going to be starting as soon as possible. However, the employer is looking for 4 vacancies. It's a verified job. I love bringing to you guys verified job because with that, I know that you are applying for authentic jobs. And again, this is a Canadian job site where you can actually look for jobs that are for international or look for jobs that are for foreign workers and apply for that. So the job bank reference number is 2244644. Language they need is English. There is no degree, no certificate or diploma. Experience is an asset. So if you have an experience, please do well to include it in your resume. Okay. Work setting is various locations. That means it might not be in one place that you'll be working, depending. So, and the tax is all this we have here: load, unload and transport construction materials, mix pure and spread materials, and so many other ones you can see right here on this screen. Then there is an additional information that they need: work condition and physical capability. Do well to check that as well. Fast-paced environment, tight deadlines, handling heavy loads, physical demanding. So they need you to know all this. And again, the person that can apply for this job is someone that is in Canada with a permanent resident permit, or someone who is not even in Canada with or without a valid Canadian work permit can as well go ahead and apply. So what it means is that anybody can apply to this job. Okay, yeah, so let's see how you can apply for the job. So the employer wants you to send in your resume to this particular email we have right here on the screen. The job is going to be available till 14th of December. So family, we have another job that is for receptionist. Okay, and this job is available in Edmonton, Alberta. The employer is going to be paying the employer is going to be paying $19.71 hourly, and for 32 hours per week. Is a permanent full-time employment. They have some shift for day, weekend, and all that. And the job is going to be starting as soon as possible. The vacancy they are looking for is 2 vacancies, and is also a verified job. Language is English. Education is secondary high school graduation certificate. However, the employer said they are going to be training. So experience is an added advantage if you do have one. But if you don't have an experience, don't worry, because the employer made it known they will be training as well. So here are some of the responsibilities and tasks that you will be performing as a receptionist. Greet people and direct them to contacts or service areas, provide basic information to clients and the public, obtain and process information required to provide services, record and relay information, schedule and confirm appointments, answer telephone and relay telephone calls and messages, provide directory assistance, relay service to persons with disability. So these are basically what you will be doing as a receptionist. Work conditions and physical capability is a fast-paced environment. You're going to be doing a repetitive task. All right, so this is how you can apply for the job. Send in your resume to this email we have right here on the screen, and with your cover letter if you do have one. But I will strongly advise to have a cover letter attached with your resume. Okay, job is going to be advertised till 14th of December. It seems like all this job today is going to be ending on 14th of December, so it's a good one for you to go ahead. It's going to be here. The job would still be available for like a month, which is not a bad one. So go into that, start applying, and my prayer is that it is gonna work for you. Like, I will come back here in this channel to celebrate you all, and I can't wait to have you all here in Canada. Yeah, and if you don't know, Canada have planned to bring in more people in Canada. Like, more immigrants are going to be coming into Canada 2023 to 2025. So imagine, you don't want to miss this opportunity. So start right now to make your plans. Start right now to start applying. All right, thank you so much. I'm going to be ending this video right here. If you have watched till this time, I want to say a big thank you. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, do well to click on the red subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you will not miss any of our upload. Give this video a thumbs up if at the end you'll watch it and you love what you have watched. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. It's going to benefit 1 or 2% out there, which I'm very, very sure. All right, I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, stay safe until I come your way next time. Bye.